Your Windows PC is collecting junk files right now, some from updates you installed months ago, and they're silently slowing everything down. The good news? You don't need any apps or downloads to fix it. Every update, every app, every website leaves behind hidden files. Cache, temporary data, leftovers. These don't just take space. They slow down how Windows runs. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to make Windows clean itself automatically, using only built-in settings, no third-party tools. Go to Settings, System, then Storage. This feature is called Storage Sense. It's already built into Windows. Most people just don't configure it properly. Turn it on, but don't stop there. Click Configure Storage Sense. Now I'll show you each option, when to use it, and the best setting to choose. First, Cleanup Schedule. You'll see options like every day, every week, every month, or only when disk space is low. If you use your PC heavily, every day is fine, but for most people, it's unnecessary. My recommendation, set it to every week. It keeps your system clean without overdoing it. Next, Recycle Bin Cleanup. You'll see options like 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. If you often recover deleted files, you can choose 60 days, but for most people, 30 days is the perfect balance, and that's also the default setting. Now, the Downloads folder, you'll see options like 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, or never. This is very important. My recommendation, set this to never. This is where your installers and important files are stored. Automating this can delete files you still need without warning. Next, OneDrive or Cloud Content Cleanup. If you see this option, this removes locally stored copies of files you haven't opened in a while. If you use OneDrive and want to save space, you can enable it. But if you prefer having files always available offline, leave it off. Now scroll down and click Run Storage Sense now. This will apply your settings immediately, and you can free up gigabytes of space instantly. And here's a bonus most people miss. Go back and click Temporary Files. You'll often find extra junk that Storage Sense doesn't remove automatically, especially Windows Update files that can take up a lot of space. Just review before deleting, and avoid anything you don't recognize, especially system-related files. If you want deeper cleaning, you can still use Disk Cleanup, but honestly, this built-in setup is enough for most people. Set it once, and let Windows clean itself. No extra apps, no extra effort. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit like, and for more clean, powerful tech tips, subscribe, and see you in the next one.